I'm a yoga teacher. I've been practicing yoga for 30 years and teaching for 25. So I practice yoga daily already, but the practices that you have introduced have helped me to discover a greater sense of ease within my daily practice. I'm absolutely thrilled that we're going to be having class again in the fall. Yay! So I attended the first cohort and then this cohort, and I got so much out of the first one. And then the second time around, I feel like it's the practices and my understanding of the polyvagal theory have just deepened. So I'm understanding the nervous system and the polyvagal theory more, and it's been extremely helpful and useful and motivating to use the practices when I'm not feeling like triggered or, upset or stressed. So from this space, there's like less fight within myself and like more kindness and patience. And I can return to balance using my belly breathing, the yoga breathing. And I love the daily prayer with the mudras as well. The seed. And exercising loving kindness toward myself. And then that does radiate outward to everybody. So thank you so much, Amelia. I'm so grateful for you.